Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best vehicle-mounted solar panels that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Bouge RV Solar Panel Crab Mounting Kit. This product stands out for its unique design, which is specifically tailored for vehicles with crossbars. The Crab Mounting Kit provides an effortless solution to attach solar panels to your roof rack without drilling, making it ideal for temporary or permanent setups. Whether you're powering a car fridge, solar generator, or off-grid battery system, this mounting kit is highly versatile. The clamps are robust and feature rubber padding to ensure your crossbars remain protected, while the powder-coated finish adds durability and resistance against harsh weather. While this product doesn't include a solar panel itself, its compatibility with 100 to 200 watt panels makes it an exceptional choice for anyone looking to customize their solar setup. The standout feature is its adaptability to various crossbar shapes, though rounded bars are excluded. The tool-free installation means you can easily remove the solar panel when not in use, which is perfect for situations like car washes or transporting gear. However, keep in mind that this product is best suited for vehicles with flat or oval crossbars, and its dimensions might limit compatibility with some setups. Overall, the Bouge RV Crab Mounting Kit is a fantastic pick for those who already own solar panels and are looking for a secure and flexible installation method. Its durability and ease of use make it ideal for SUVs, trucks, and trailers. The only downside is the lack of solar panels included in the kit, which requires additional purchases. Despite this, it's a reliable and innovative solution for mounting solar panels on vehicles. Coming in at number 4 is the OYMSAE 30-watt 12-volt solar panel solar trickle charger. This product features monocrystalline solar cells with a high conversion efficiency of 22%, ensuring reliable performance even in less than ideal sunlight conditions. The ETFE coating enhances durability and allows for a light transmittance of up to 95%. With its 30-watt trickle charging mode, it's an excellent choice for maintaining the power levels of your 12V batteries in various vehicles and equipment like cars, boats, and RVs. The OYMSAE solar panel is also equipped with intelligent microprocessor technology, which prevents overcharging and reverse discharge, ensuring safety during operation. The plug-and-play setup, combined with the included SAE cables, makes it beginner-friendly. Plus, the charging visualization feature provides clear status updates through indicator lights: blue for sunlight detection, red for charging, and green for full charge. However, it's worth noting that the panel doesn't include a mounting system, so you'll need to find a way to secure it during use. While the OYMSAE panel excels in portability and efficiency, its 30-watt power output might not satisfy users looking for a more robust solution for larger-scale energy needs. Nonetheless, its durability, ease of use, and affordable maintenance make it an excellent choice for casual users or those seeking a backup charging solution for small vehicles and equipment. At number 3, we have the SolPerk 10-watt solar panel solar battery charger. This compact and efficient panel is equipped with an upgraded MPPT charge controller, which allows for 30% more power generation compared to traditional models. The controller also offers comprehensive protection against overcharging, overvoltage, and reverse polarity, ensuring the longevity of your batteries. With its 360 degrees adjustable mounting bracket, this solar panel can be securely placed on the ground, wall, or roof, making it highly versatile for different setups. The SolPerk panel is designed for durability, featuring a corrosion-resistant aluminum frame and tempered glass construction. It's waterproof and rust-proof, capable of withstanding harsh conditions like sandstorms and hail. The 10-watt power output is ideal for maintaining and charging 12-volt batteries in motorcycles, cars, RVs, and boats. However, its lower wattage makes it less suitable for users with high energy demands or those looking to power multiple devices simultaneously. Overall, the SolPerk 10-watt solar panel is a reliable and cost-effective solution for maintaining battery life in smaller vehicles and equipment. The build quality and included mounting hardware make it a worthwhile investment for those seeking a durable and portable solar charging kit. Just keep in mind that this panel is better suited for maintenance rather than full-scale charging needs. Number 2, we have the Powwoxy upgraded 7.5-watt solar battery trickle charger maintainer. This small yet highly efficient solar panel boasts a conversion efficiency of 25 to 30%, thanks to its premium solar silicon material. The built-in intelligent charge controller ensures stable energy output while protecting your battery from overcharging and short circuits. Its lightweight and portable design make it perfect for maintaining 12-volt batteries in cars, motorcycles, boats, and other vehicles. One of the standout features of this product is its high-transparency tempered glass, which is impact-resistant and weatherproof. The ABS plus PC frame adds an extra layer of durability, preventing scratches and ensuring the panel remains intact, even under harsh conditions. The LED charging indicator is another thoughtful addition, providing a clear visual cue for charging status. Installation is straightforward. Simply use the solar panel's alligator clips or connect it directly to your vehicle's cigarette lighter socket. While the Powwoxy panel is an excellent choice for battery maintenance, its 7.5-watt output makes it less suitable for users with higher energy demands. However, its durability, ease of use, and intelligent safety features make it a strong contender for those seeking a reliable trickle charger for smaller vehicles and equipment. Finally, at the top spot, we have the trickle 100-watt portable solar panel. This powerful and versatile solar panel is designed to deliver high-efficiency performance, with a conversion rate of up to 23.5%. Compatible with most solar generators and portable power stations, it comes with a range of connectors, including Anderson cables and DC adapters, making it perfect for outdoor camping, RV trips, and emergency power setups. Its ability to pair with another panel for increased power output is a game-changer for users needing faster charging times. The trickle panel is built to last, featuring ETFE lamination for enhanced durability and weather resistance. Its bifold design and integrated kickstands make it easy to position for optimal sunlight exposure, while the zippered pouch provides convenient storage for accessories. When folded, it transforms into a briefcase-like structure, ensuring portability without taking up much space. While this panel is on the heavier side at 10.3 pounds, its robust 100-watt output and compatibility with various devices make it the best option for users with significant energy needs. Whether you're powering a generator or keeping your RV systems running during a road trip, the trickle 100-watt panel delivers unmatched performance and reliability. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.